The Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your Ford Fiesta ST indicates a problem with the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. Because the Fiesta ST uses an indirect TPMS system, which calculates tire pressure based on ABS wheel speed sensors, this error usually appears after tire rotations, replacements, or when a sensor's battery dies. The error means the car's computer isn't recognizing the signals from the tire sensors. Because the Fiesta ST has a sport-tuned suspension and performance tires, they are prone to more TPMS issues than normal cars. The most common cause is that the car needs a TPMS relearn. The relearn process teaches the car to recognize the sensors again. First, inflate tires to correct pressure, around 32 psi. Then, cycle the ignition by turning the car off, then on, then off, then on again, but don't start the engine. Next, either drive the car at around 25 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the system to automatically scan the sensors, or use a TPMS Relearn tool or an OBD2 scanner to manually enter the sensor IDs. If the relearn doesn't work, consider that the sensor batteries could be dead, or you may need to replace faulty sensors. If replacing sensors, aftermarket options like Schrader or VDO can often be cheaper and more durable than OEM sensors.